Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make Kundapura style chicken ghee roast. The first step is to marinate the chicken. I have taken 600 to 700 grams of chicken with a bone. I'll be adding a half cup of curd, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt. Mix well with your hands. Let it sit for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare a masala paste. For this, we'll be adding 12 to 15 badge chilies and add 4 to 5 guntur chilies for the spice. Soak them in the warm water for 10 minutes. In the pan, add 8 fenugreek seeds, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, one tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and 2 cloves. Now dry roast them in the low flame for 3 to 5 minutes until you get nice aroma. Cool and transfer to a mixer jar. Add the previously soaked chilies. And add 15 cloves of garlic and a jaggery for the touch of sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice along with the pulp. And we'll grind them into a fine paste. To the pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. This should be only cooked in the ghee, since it's a chicken ghee roast. Now we'll transfer the marinated chicken into the pan and fry them. We will be adding curry leaves and cook the chicken in the high flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after 10 to 15 minutes, we will be adding the masala paste . And little bit of water as required and mix them. We'll add the curry leaves again and let the chicken cook for 10 to 15 minutes in the low flame. Let the chicken absorb all the masala and the spices. In the last, we'll be adding a salt as per your taste. Now our Kundapura style chicken ghee roast is ready to serve. We'll transfer it to a plate. It suits very well perfectly with Neer dosas.